Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on January the 5th, 2021. NYSE refused to remove Chinese firms from the list. The New York Stock Exchange said it no longer intends to delist the three Chinese telecom giants targeted by U.S. President Donald Trump's outgoing administration. The exchange added that it made the decision only in view of further consultations with the relevant regulators. This was a shocking reversal of events given that the previous decision was only last week. On Thursday, the exchange said it would delist China Mobile Ltd, China Telecom Corp Ltd, and China Unicom Hong Kong Ltd after the U.S. government blocked investments in 35 companies believed to be owned or controlled by the Chinese military. Shares of these companies listed on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange jumped in the wake of the announcement, with China Unicom up 6.7% and China Mobile and China Telecom up 5%. Markets prepare for U.S. Senate runoffs in Georgia. Expectations of giant market swings are rising as investors face elections in the U.S. Senate in Georgia on Tuesday, which will determine which party controls Congress amid a resurgence of coronavirus cases. The CBOE volatility index, known as Wall Street's fear gauge, hit its highest closing mark since November the 5th, 26.97 on Monday, and also posted its biggest one-day gain since late October. A Democratic victory in both races could move control of the Senate away from Republicans, but both contests are very tight and the results may not be immediately known. If Democrats win both seats, this should lead to the most significant fiscal stimulus of 2021. Nevertheless, this could be an excuse for a short-term consolidation in risk markets after a strong post-election rally. Fiat and Peugeot merge into $52 billion carmaker. Fiat Chrysler and PSA said Monday that investors have given their blessing for a $52 billion merger to create the world's fourth-largest automaker. Shares in the new company called Stellantis will begin trading in 2 weeks. With annual production of about 8 million cars worldwide and revenues of more than $203 billion, the newly formed firm is expected to play a key role in the auto industry's leap into a new era of electrifications. Stellantis will have 14 brands from FCA's Fiat, Maserati, and American-oriented Jeep, Dodge, and Ram to PSA's Peugeot, Citroën, Opel, and DS, traditionally focused on Europe. Asian stocks plunge amid tight U.S. Senate elections. Asian stocks fell lower Tuesday amid uncertainty over the U.S. Senate elections, which could have a big impact on new U.S. President Joe Biden's ability to implement his favored economic policies. MSCI Asia-Pacific's broadest index of stocks outside Japan fell 0.05%, retreating from a record high. Chinese stock erased early losses and rose 0.52%. Japanese stocks lost 0.34% after a spokesman said this government will decide on a state of emergency in Tokyo and nearby cities on Thursday to curb coronavirus infections. Uncertainty about voting in Georgia and worries about rising coronavirus infections sent Wall Street sharply lower Monday. The Dow Jones fell 1.27%, the S&P 500 lost 1.49%, while the Nasdaq fell 1.48%.